Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at a very tangible video. We'll be making a very reasonable class. We'll be looking at how you can create a Bybit Web3 wallet. Why is it important? Most of the money now is in Web3. Web3 now is taking over. Since Web3 is taking over, and there is a lot of activities going on in Web3. So let's go ahead to see how we can create a Web3 wallet and start using it to hustle and start using it to hunt for coin in Web3. Before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this content. How do you locate your Web3? You're going to come to this place and click on more. After click on more, you're going to trace out Web3. Okay, now this is Bybit Web3. What you need to do is very simple. Click on the Bybit Web3 and follow the process. Let's wait for it to load. The moment it's loaded, click on create. And if you already have, then it's okay. You click on you have already have. Then click on create. If you click on create, it's going to pop up something of this nature to you, which says create Bybit Web3 wallet. Tap on the button below to create your wallet and start exploring Bybit Web3. Now click on create. If you click on create, you're going to set a device password, and also you confirm the device password. All right, you set the password and also what, and also confirm the password. So let's quickly set the password. After setting the password, you're going to come to this place and click on create. Right, click on confirm to create. Now it's showing you that it's coming soon. Exercise patient a little. For your Bybit Web3 wallet is under creations. Okay, and after it's created, you can now start using it to trade coin on Web3. There are a lot of coin in Web3 that will soon come to reality and will make you a lot of profit. Now congratulations that your wallet has been created. They say you should start using. Back up your seed phrase to ensure the safety of your fund. All right, so all you just need to do is to click on this place to click on the backup, to click on backup. If you click on backup, you're going to back up your seed phrase. Click on backup. If you click on backup your seed phrase, it's going to show you something of this very nature. Your seed phrase is equivalent to your wallet password. Your seed phrase allows full access to your wallet, and also manually write down them. These are all you need to do. So what do you need to do? Click on manual. If you click on manual, you're going to verify these devices with the password we previously set. So having done that, you click on confirm. If you click on confirm, you hold on a little. Your seed phrase will be generated in a soon time. Then it will bring you to something of this nature that backup is completed. After you follow up these phrases and the others, then you click on explore. After you click on explore, it will be completed. So thank you for watching. Thank you for being with me. If you do have any question, drop it in the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you. See you in my next class. Bye.